Yes, me there again, my people. Manners, big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so my people, I am going to present a video to you that someone brought to my attention. But before I present that video to you, I want to talk to you about a video that I saw that shows a person hopping on one leg in what I call dirty water. And me I tell you the truth, my people, that video they make me feel sad at one point, because at one point the video shows when the person sit down in the dirty water, and in my point of view, it's like the person that beg money. Yeah, you know what I mean? It's like that's in my point of view. I think that the person that beg money while doing so, it really and truly sad, my people, you know. Yes, I say it's sad. I tell you the truth, it's sad. It's like the person that beg money from persons, and it just really and truly make me feel away. I tell you the truth, my people. So even though you have some persons who pretend to be disabled in order to get money from persons the wrong way, please don't make good suffer for the bad. You understand me? So if you know somebody disabled and you can help out the person, no matter how small it be. You see me I say, because what happened to some of them can happen to anyone. But I tell you. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded in Jamaica, and this video is going to show some things that happened when police from within the country of Jamaica held on to at least one person from a community in Jamaica. I got the understanding that the person had been placed at the back of a police service motor vehicle. In my point of view, it seems as if there was some persons who you can see and hear in the video who did not agree with how police handled the situation. The video also shows when police hit at least one person viewing subscribers, and in the video you can hear when shot had been fired. And in my point of view, that shot had been fired by a law enforcer from within the country of Jamaica. The video also shows when a law enforcer from within the country of Jamaica hold a gun a certain way. So in my point of view, it's like some form of a warning shot then. So my people, while you look and listen to this video, you can also tell me what you think. And please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear when at least one shot had been fired and at least one person had been hit by police within the country of Jamaica. You can also hear harsh language in this video as well. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Observe.
Yo! How I'm doing now do the man, sir? Where the man, sir? Where the man, sir? Where the man, sir? What are you there dealing, man, sir? What am I dealing, man, sir? All right, my dealing, man, sir. I want to know, you can't believe it, sir. Who from where? You don't have video already, so you can't go on. Don't have video already, so you can't go on. That me I tell you. I didn't force this the man. I didn't force this the man. You force this the man. You force this the man. You force this the man. That me I tell him to me that video now. And this the bomb buckler, man. I only force this the man. I ain't force that man. Police that style the bomb buckler, man. Like the man down the bomb buckler, right? Tim now video the bomb buckler. Eh? I ain't force style the man. And the man style back. Tim now video now. Eh? What you mean? We don't see what going on already. Think when I saw no? Eh? How them style the man first? What I mean?
Lucky one out in getting on the head side.
How them style the man?
Lucky one out in getting on the head side, man. One of them should get it all around one day. I him should get it on the head side a while ago.
Yeah, man. man at them for style the man. Him. Style the man. Yo, are you for style the man, you know? Are you for style the man? That me I tell you no. I want to for style the man. That me I tell you no. Yeah?
Police didn't know.
What the man do? What the man do? What the man do? What the man do? The man do not know? I want to first tell him about his mother. I want to first teach the man about tell him about his mother. I want him to know. Remember some of video now, that me tell you something on the liquor and the beat of the man. That me tell you something on the beat of the man, yeah? And the man not do no. That me tell you no. That me tell you the man not do no. I want to first tell the man about his mother. And Lord the man not do nothing. That me I tell you. Remember show me a video on Bomb Buckley. That me I tell you, him first this man. And then this the man, him first this the man. Him not a video now. And then. That brown one there, the brown one that turned the man, him. When I found this, him. Him this the man first. Him.
Go watch your back to the ground. Watch your back to the ground. The back to the ground with the money or something. I saw the police here. I'm going to feel like some of these people and people of the people back.
I him down the side the man. I him for style the man. No one down there, sir. I style the man. Eh?
You feel like the man. So you can't feel like so you can't this man and this on the back.
No man, none of them use up on the back now, little man. I him this the man first. Where? Who murder against somebody? Who murder nobody? Who murder nobody? Be a foolish in the talk all the while, you know. That me I tell you now. That me I tell you now, kind of you go on there look like this the man. This the man. The man I do nothing. The man I do nothing. Remember some of video here, yeah? Remember some of video here? Are you let the man? The police board and a jeep there, sir. I him. This the man. That me I tell you. The boy they down there, sir. That me I tell you that the boy they down there, sir. I lead the man. I him this the man first. In this man first of all, I don't know so. The man I do not know him down there so. Him. I mean. Charger.
Sitting there.
So no.
Yellow bus the man. So some people carry.
Full of corruption.
Well, my people, I think that video somewhat speaks for itself, as well some people might say. You know, if you listen carefully, you can get certain hints and clues as to what might have happened. I mean, in my point of view, based on the amount of law enforcers that I saw in that video, it seems as if something really and truly was going on. You know, I mean, look at the types of uniforms that I can see a certain amount of persons who are said to be law enforcers was wearing. Yeah. That video is one of many videos that have been posted on social media about confrontations, disputes, altercations, and even disagreements between police officers or law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica and civilians within Jamaica. You see me I say? Yeah, so just one of those videos that have been brought to my attention. Present the video to you so that you can take a look at it. You can also let me know what you think. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up, respect, and manners to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.